Hello and welcome to my video of the 11 subject lines that get your emails opened. Now, I'm your host, 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗪𝗏, and in this video, I'm gonna be giving you my killer email subject lines that get your emails opened. Now, it's cold and it's in the middle of the night, so you're gonna have to excuse me if I'm a little bit out there. Yeah, so let's get started now. If you want more opens and clicks on your emails and sales, and no matter what you sell and who you sell it to, then this video is perfect for you, because I create content like this daily. And what I want you to do is, I want you to subscribe below, and I want you to comment, and I will respond to your comment. And the reason why I want you to do that is because when I create content like this that are proven to be beneficial, I want you to have those. So hit that notification bell so that you get notified once I create this content. So I mean, if you really want to increase your sales with email marketing, no matter what you sell and who you sell it to, if you want to motivate your audience to take a positive actions to achieve the result they want using proven emotional triggers, and if you want to target your ideal customer, to really understand them, to find your perfect customer who want to buy from you, then you're gonna love my content. I create content like this and upload about 5 times a week. So if you wanna keep up to date with that, then please subscribe below. Aside from that, I'm gonna start on into our email subject line. But before I get there, I want to tell you something there. I need you to know 4 things about your customer before you try to write an email subject line, email subject line. And what I want you to know, I want you to find out your customer's problems, questions, roadblocks, and results. So what is the problems that they're facing? What are the questions that they're thinking about? What are the roadblocks that's stopping them from getting the results that they want? Because understanding those 4 things about your customer will allow you to drastically improve how well you communicate with them. Now, with that said, let's jump right into it. The first type of email subject line that you're going to face, or you're going to want to write, is the email subject line that talks about hacks or great ideas. Now, that might look something like this: benefit hacks that works, or big results date hacks, right? Or benefit number of great ideas. And this is a formula, this is a blueprint for writing subject lines about hacks that work, hacks, and great ideas. And the way you would use this kind of blueprint is, first of all, as I said, you need to know your customer's problems, questions, roadblocks, and results. So in this case, we are using benefits and big results, which are to do with the number 4, the 4th part of the 4 things. This is the 4th part. So the benefits will fit into the results, but we'll understand more as we go. So benefit hacks that work, or big results hacks that work, will go like this. If we take an audience such as email marketers, so I am talking to email marketers, beginner email marketers, people want to write emails and market and use those to market their product or services. It will go something like this: write killer email subject lines that works, right? So my customer want to write emails, and they want their emails to be open. So their bigger results, or the big benefits, will be getting more emails open. So it'll be something like, so if I'm using the formula big results hacks that work, I'll say get more emails open hacks that work, right? And I could put a date. I could say get more emails open 2021 hacks that work, right? You can see how we're building on this. Or get more emails clicked hacks that work, right? And if we switch it up to ideas, it will go something like this: benefit great ideas, or benefit number great ideas, right? And so if you're using the same kind of audience, we'll say write killer image subject lines great ideas, right? So if I send an email to that subject line to people who have an interest in writing emails, they'll see that and they'll say, okay, this has to do with me wanting to write more subject lines, or better email subject lines. And the next one will be get more emails open 2021 great ideas. And you can see how that fits. All you're doing is you're substituting one of those 4 things that you know about your customer with great ideas. And the last one they say is get more emails clicked 7 great ideas. If I'm an email marketer, I'm opening that to see what are the great ideas, right? And the best part is you're giving your customers value, right? You're not saying this is about me, it's about me. No, you're giving them value. You're giving them a reason to open, something that will benefit them and will benefit you in the future. Another type of subject line is secrets, right? And this one is also very, very simple. We're going to be saying something like secrets to benefit that works, right? Or number of secrets to benefit, right? Or secrets to big results fast. So an example, if you're using the same type of marketing audience, so we'll say secrets to writing perfect email subject lines that work, right? Or we'll say secrets to writing killer email subject lines that works, right? We'll say 7 secrets to writing killer email subject lines. It's at night, guys, so let's keep going. And then the last one will be secrets to big results fast. So secrets to secrets to writing killer subject lines fast, right? Or secrets to getting more emails opened fast, right? Or secrets to getting, if you're looking in the weight loss market, we'll say secrets to lose weight fast, right? And you can see that all you have to do is you're just substituting for the type of customer you have. And then here we have faster, simple, and easier. And as you know, your customers, your audiences, they always want better results, faster, simple, and easier, right? And either you're giving them a secret or strategy, or you're giving them a way to get the results faster. So in this case, you're saying easy ways to write your email subject lines fast, easy ways to lose weight fast, 7 simple ways to lose weight fast, or 7 simple ways to write a killer email subject line, right? Or you can say first name, 7 secret ways to get big results fast, right? Or you can say, let's say if you use my name, Herbert, you can say, lose weight. You would not say that, lose weight fast. You would not say that, but you might say something like, Herbert. You say that, Herbert. Secrets to, so big results will be, right? Get more emails open. Herbert, get more of your emails open faster, right? Or in that case, you might actually switch it and say fastest way to get your emails opened, right? You might use the second last one there. The name there, the code, the way I have that name there is the code and the autoresponder that you can use. And you can really just switch it up. By playing around, you can sound whichever one sounds better and more impactful, right? There's no right or wrong. It's just finding the one that really, really works well, right? So we're going to keep rolling. The next one is how to or strategy type of subject line. And the way this works is very, very simple. Again, you're saying how to benefit, how to write killer, email subject line, or 7 secret strategies to write killer email subject lines. That's a really good one. That's a really good one. You say, how to get big results fast. In this case, how to lose 5 pounds fast. That's a really good one. Or how to sell your house alone fast, right? And it really depends on the market and what you're using. Another one will be using problems, frustrations, and mistakes. Again, it's a very, very similar formula. In this case, you might say, are you frustrated with writing killer email subject lines? Or 7 benefits mistakes, 7 dieting mistakes, right? If you're in the dieting, or 7 losing weight mistakes, right? And that's usually is a warning type, so usually gets a lot more alert. So use that also with caution. Or the biggest challenge in losing weight, right? Or the biggest lose weight challenge, or the biggest dieting challenge, or the biggest email marketing challenges, right? Avoid these email marketing mistakes. Avoid these email subject line mistakes, and so on and so forth. As you can see, these are the very, very simple formulas you can use to really transform your subject lines in your emails. And in that way, you can write emails that inspire people to take action and do positive changes, make positive changes with their life. So thank you for joining me on this short video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Again, my name is Herbert, and I'll see you on the next video.